Have you ever wondered what our oceans will look like in a few decades? By 2050, scientists predict that without serious action, the plastic in our oceans could actually outweigh the fish. It's a staggering thought. The stakes are enormous, not just for the beautiful marine life we cherish, but for entire global ecosystems and ultimately human survival. But there is hope. A new wave of emerging technologies is completely transforming how we collect, remove, and even prevent waste from entering our waters, offering a clear path toward cleaner, healthier oceans. Imagine a fleet of smart, autonomous drones skimming the ocean surface day and night. These aren't just simple boats, they're AI-powered cleanup devices. Using advanced navigation, they can strategically target areas with the highest density of plastic debris, all while intelligently avoiding marine animals. They operate 24/7, tirelessly collecting plastics before they break down into those tiny, toxic microplastics that plague the food chain. When you pair these drones with real-time satellite monitoring, they become even more powerful, creating dynamic maps of pollution hotspots. This allows cleanup efforts to be strategic, efficient, and far more effective than ever before. But what about the waste we can't see? A huge amount of pollution, like lost fishing nets and industrial debris, sinks to the ocean floor, creating hidden hazards. This is where deep-sea remediation technology comes in. Advanced submersibles, equipped with sophisticated robotic arms, can now descend into the depths to recover this submerged plastic and abandoned ghost nets. By using high-tech sensors and sonar imaging, these machines can perform precision collections, carefully removing harmful waste without disturbing the fragile deep-sea ecosystems. It's like a specialized cleanup crew for the darkest corners of our oceans. Now, what if we could turn this recovered trash into treasure? Some of the most exciting initiatives are integrating ocean cleanup with waste-to-energy systems. Imagine collected ocean plastics being transported to specialized plants and transformed into clean electricity or even hydrogen fuel. This dual-purpose approach doesn't just reduce marine pollution, it also generates sustainable energy. It creates a truly circular solution where ocean waste, once a threat, becomes a valuable resource, helping to power our communities while cleaning our seas. Of course, the best way to solve a problem is to prevent it from happening in the first place. This is where material science is making incredible leaps. Scientists are developing innovative, biodegradable plastics and smart materials that are designed to safely dissolve in seawater. Think about fishing nets that degrade naturally if lost, or packaging that doesn't linger for centuries. These innovations, working hand in hand with new policies and public awareness, are designed to ensure that the next generation of materials that might end up in the ocean are fundamentally safe for the environment. To tackle a problem this massive, you need a bird's-eye view. Satellite monitoring and AI analytics provide exactly that: high resolution, Satellite imagery allows us to see pollution patterns from space, tracking the movement of massive ocean gyres where trash accumulates. AI algorithms then analyze this data to predict where currents will concentrate debris next. This predictive power is a game changer, allowing us to guide cleanup fleets to the right place at the right time, optimizing resources and dramatically increasing the efficiency of global-scale intervention. But technology, no matter how advanced, can't do it all alone. The real magic happens when we combine it with human action. Community engagement and industry collaboration are the force multipliers in this fight. Corporations are stepping up, adopting ocean-friendly packaging and funding conservation projects. Everyday people are getting involved through beach cleanups and using citizen science apps to report plastic pollution. When you integrate this groundswell of human action with cutting-edge technology, you create a powerful, sustainable, and scalable model for ocean conservation. So let's look ahead. By 2050, the picture could be radically different. With a global commitment, these emerging technologies could help restore our oceans to a near-pristine state. Imagine autonomous devices working in harmony with deep-sea robots, waste-to-energy systems creating clean power from pollution, smart materials preventing future harm, and AI guiding our efforts. All fueled by the passion of people around the world. Clean, thriving oceans are no longer a distant, impossible dream. They are an achievable goal within our reach. Technology offers us the tools, but it is humanity that provides the will. Together, we can save our seas and secure a sustainable, beautiful future for all the generations to come. Thank you so much for watching. If you're inspired by this vision for our oceans, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us on this journey.